Dotloop Real Estate Tutorial. So to start, you have to go to any web browser and then type Dotloop. It will take you directly to their website, and all you have to do is to sign up an account right here. So as you can see, Dotloop is a comprehensive real estate transaction management software designed to streamline the entire property deal process from initial offer to final closing in a digital collaborative environment. To start, you have to tap this sign up for free. Click this one, and it will take you directly to this where you can add your email address first. You need to choose from any of these two-factor authentication. So you can choose your mobile, or you can also add authentication application. You can add your phone number, and you can choose if you want to receive a call or text message. Tap on continue. Then what you're going to do here is just add the code that they're going to send to you. You can also do this one, like you need to scan the QR code, they will send you the code, and then all you have to do is to add it right here. Once done, you can now proceed, and then copy the code right here or save this and then paste it. Now you can now agree and continue, and it will take you directly to this Dotloop dashboard. So this is what it looks like, and what you're going to do here is just basically add your, or just edit, share, and sign documents digitally without the need for printing, faxing, or emailing. So as you can see, there is this task in Dotloop. So a task is a to-do list or checklist item assigned to a person, if you have like agent, client, or team member inside a Dotloop transaction loop. It helps you track process and ensures all parts of the transaction process are completed on time. So basically what you're going to do here is just add a personal task or loop task. So basically, inside you can create a task inside a loop. You can assign tasks to yourself also, or others involved in the transaction. Tasks have due dates and status, pending or completed, and that loop sends notifications and reminders to help keep everyone on track, including yourself. Agents and clients can check off tasks once done, helping with workflow transparency. Okay, so all you have to do is to add task right here and then assign this to someone inside the loop. For scheduling tasks, you can set this, or let's just say you have to set deadline tomorrow, due date, and so on. You can see it right here. Once you tap these dots, you will see these options below. Other features are not available, so you need to upgrade your plan into premium in order for you to unlock. Then once you have added tasks and then set schedules, you will see if it's completed, overdue. You just have to go to this part right here and check if the status is overdue, completed, tasks that are assigned to me, or all tasks. So basically you can see it right here. So that is all for Dotloop task. Now let's move on to people section in Dotloop. So this one refers to the list of individuals associated with a specific transaction or loop. This feature is crucial for managing roles, permissions, and collaboration. So all you have to do is to add a person right here, add their details so that you have your own record. So a people here can be an individual to a loop, including agents, clients, transaction coordinators, and other stakeholders involved in the transaction. Here you can assign roles, designate specific roles such as this one is a buyer, this one is a seller, this one is a listing agent or buyer's agent, and so on. So manage permissions, monitor actions taken by each individual, ensuring transparency and accountability. So once you've added this people information, you can save this and you can edit this anytime. Now feel free to add more person here in the people section. You can also send invitation, but this one is optional. So add a person to finalize the process. So once you've added people here, then you can see it on this people section, their names and their details. Now let's move on to Dotloop templates. So here in Dotloop templates, you can organize forms into folders, such as if these people are on listing, buyer, or closing for easy access. You can add documents to a loop by selecting them from a template section. You can create interactive document with fields like signatures, initials, text, and dates using the document editor. You can also create task templates here, assign tasks to a specific role, set due dates, and reorder tasks as needed, share task templates, and then save commonly used standard or quick insertion into document templates. So basically, that's it. Now, if you go to your profile, basically you can add or set up your profile right here, or if you encounter some problems, go to help center. You need to complete your profile in order for you to unlock some features here. Now, if you want to create or add loop, you can click add loop and then start a new transaction file. You can enter a loop name, typically a property address or client name. You can also link an MLS listing here. Now, after that, you can choose a loop template, for example, buyer, listing, new construction. This preloads documents and tasks tailored to the transaction type. After that, you can upload the property photo. So let's just say this is the property photo, but let's just say this is also my client's photo right here. And then once you have added their photo, then you can now tap on create to generate your new loop workspace. So why you use this add loop? It organizes each deal in its own logical workspace. It automates setup with templates to save time, track and collaborate on documents, tasks, and team roles efficiently. So after creating a loop, like for example, if you add people, client, agents, lenders, you can assign roles and permissions. You can also populate document task clauses. You can use templates to import recurring content into the loop and collaborate and submit documents for signatures or compliance review. Here you can add more information about this detail for the property, for the client, and so on. All you have to do is to click this one, and then you can have or you can add all information within this. So informations are safe and feel free to edit this anytime. So that's how easy it is. As you can see, I have now all the information of my client or my buyer or the property. I can see it all right here in the record, and I can submit or share it anytime. So that's the good thing about using this dot loop. So why choose this one? Of course, if you want an all-in-one transaction management, like Dotloop combines documents, e-signatures, compliance tasks, and communication in a single form. No need for separate tools, then choose Dotloop. Easy digital signatures like signed documents securely from any device, no printing, scanning, or faxing, and legally binding and fully trackable. So you have to choose this one. Also, when it comes to organized loops for each transaction, every transaction is stored in a loop. It's a digital workspace. It can keep all documents, tasks, and people in one place. Ideal for tracking progress from offer to closing. It has powerful templates, mobile friendly, team collaboration, compliance and audit trails, integrates with other tools, performance and reporting tools, and trusted by over 1.4 million agents. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.